Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of App Tutorial. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook. You can link your Instagram to your Facebook page only if you convert your Instagram account to a business account. To do so, you need to go to the three lines on the top right corner, then go to settings, then click on account, and if you scroll down you can see an option called switch account type, or in my case it is switch account type, but if you have not converted your account to a business account, then you can see an option called switch to professional account. Then you need to convert your account to a business account. Then after you're done, you can come to your profile, then go to edit profile. From here you can see an option called pages. Now from here you can either create a new Facebook account or connect to a existing account. If you already have an account, you can connect it. From here you will be able to log into your account in which you have created your Facebook page. Then you will be successfully connected between Instagram and Facebook. So just like that, you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. I hope you guys like this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this to help you to do things on the internet. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.